I've been awake for 18 hours.
Well, hello, moviegoers, and welcome to the beautiful Chinese Theater. The Walt Disney Company is proud to present the world premiere of the latest animated short featuring Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. Put your hands together for Perfect Picnic!
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Let's take a ride and spend the day in the countryside.
Good times are here to stay. We'll get away and have the perfect picnic. We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now we're heading down the open highway, and I'm glad you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy keen.
Hi, Goofy.
Howdy, beautiful day for a picnic.
Yep, we're off to the park.
See you all there.
Nothing can stop us now. I don't know how. We couldn't have any trouble.
Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train? Excuse me, you there. Do you mind helping these good people into the cartoon while I fix this here locomotive?
Okay.
Thanks. Be back in a jiffy to pick you all up.
Well, folks, the only way to find out how this cartoon ends is to go into the cartoon. Looks like if you go through our smoking section, I'm sorry about that. Don't know how that happened. Good luck, folks. Apparently Goofy's driving the train in there. I hope everyone's insured. Based on what I've seen, he's a three-world tour. He fits in perfectly here in Florida. Goes without saying. Good luck, guys. Oh, by the way, does anybody have a spare piece of movie screen if I gave it? I've got to fix a hole here. That'd be Donald Duck.
I don't
Alright, y'all, before just make sure we take a look.
Testing. This thing on. Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Hiya, folks.
Hello there.
Hiya, Goof.
Hey, Minnie.
Sure to take good care of our friends.
What? There was rain. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh no! I must have hit that track switch. Let's get that going.
be shy. That's right. Everyone to your positions. Ready and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's conga!
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
Gosh, what's this lever do? Here we are, back in the barn. Remember to gather up all your personal belongings, take your small children by the hand, and watch your step as you exit my train. Come back and see me again real soon,